bucket. I'm going to sell a pallet forks off separate.
Buying it with the bucket.
You're buying it with the material bucket.
I checked the serial number. They built these between 05 and 07.
05 to 07. It's right about 59, 56 horse.
Yeah.
Okay, get a case 420. Give me what? I can ask you what 20? 22,000. I got $20,000 here to get 25 bid. Now 10, 8, 10, 10 bid. I got 10 bid, 12, 12. I got 10, 12, 14. I for 13, 14. I got 14 here to get 14, 15, 15. 15 just ahead of you, 16,000. And 16, I got 16, 17. 17, 18. 18, I got 18 here to give 18,000. I got 17 but 18. 18, 19. 19, and now, do you say 19? I got 18, 18, 5. 19,000. 19, I got 18, 5 and 19. I got 19, 19. 19.5, now 20, 20,000, round them off, 20,000, I got 19.5 and 20, I got 19.5 and 20, 20,000, 21, 21, 21, 20,500, 21, I got 21, I got 21,000, but buy to get 21,000, 21,000, 21,000, take home a good one, 21.5, 21.5, 21.5, I got 21, but 21.5, 22, 22,000, 22,000. 22,000. I got 21.5 here to win 22,000, but buy your out peak 22,000. I got 21.5 here to get 22. $22,000 but buy here to get 22,000. 22,000 down but buy to get 22.5. 22.5, 23, 23, 23,000. I got 22.5 to win $23,000 but buy here to get 23,000. 23,000, 23,000 down here to go 23,000 once, twice. 24.35, 23.5. 23.5, 24, 24, 24, here to get 24,000, but buy to get 24,000 down, do you want her? 24,000, I sold it to you, 23.5, buyer number 107, 107 at 23.5.
I'll sell the 4.
Hey, now you got